PicoScope7 has a variety of different trigger options to help you capture a signal more reliably and consistently. When it comes to trigger modes, PicoScopes have all the standard modes a traditional oscilloscope would have: none, auto, repeat, and single. Alongside that, we have our special sauce. Rapid triggering will trigger multiple times before processing and displaying the waveforms to eliminate time between captures, allowing you to trigger as fast as possible. Ideal for triggering on consecutive high-frequency signals. ETS, which is available on our higher-end oscilloscopes, allows you to capture even faster repeating signals by building it with multiple offset passes. Perfect for high-frequency clock signals. Along with this, PicoScope7 provides a variety of trigger types, allowing you to add
hysteresis,
windows, trigger on a pulse width, and trigger on digital logic conditions in MSO Picoscopes. So download PicoScope7 today, plug in your Picoscope, and push your triggering capabilities to their fullest.